Good evening, everybody. Rob here, westernpacificweather.com, and it's currently the evening or late night on the second, going into the third, right around midnight Queensland time here. Looking at the landfalling tropical cyclone here, tropical cyclone Yasi, making landfall just south of Innisfail here, around midnight here. Current pressure out of the system at 930 HPA, and with the winds actually being confirmed here along many of these stations here, seeing reported sustained winds out there about 100 knots sustained. So plenty of observation points along the coast here. So really do have a lot of ways to confirm if these winds are actually being validated right now or not. And here, zooming out to the composite shot here, still seeing that eye making landfall here in the next few minutes. Also, still seeing all these rain bands continue the wrapping in through here, especially the southern periphery. This is where that tornadic threat continues to exist throughout this entire region. Massive storm surge along the coast here as well. Still not seeing any reports out of there just yet. I don't really want to jump on top of any reports as well, and at least any unconfirmed reports. Plenty of news agencies out there as well that kind of can get some new information on that here, so I don't want anybody to kind of jump on this and see this and get some misled information. So really expecting that storm surge though. The overall circulation of the system very wide. Actually on the radar now you can finally get what I've been talking about, that overall fetch area. You can see the overall clouds kind of moving along here, just south or just west of Willis Island and going all the way through this location. And that's what I mean about that large fetch area and the overall amount of the winds blowing across the surface of the sea out here, producing that storm surge. And here's the latest and greatest from the Bureau of Meteorology here, making landfall just south of Innisfail here, and also just north of Cardwell here, and well north of Townsville. Still inside that destructive wind scenario here, all the way down towards Townsville and Cairns. Actually seeing reports out of Townsville, some of the storm chasers there with the live streaming video showing basically a lot of down tree limbs down there right now, and even some reports of a minor storm surge near the coast. That's all unconfirmed at this time, but just passing that information to you. But here, looking at the enhanced IR shot, still showing the system is very, very strong right now. Along the western periphery, you are seeing a lot of the moisture getting lost out here. Well, that's basically land interaction throughout this entire region here, but still well over the ocean here. You continue to see a very well developed eye wall. There's still plenty of moisture coming in right now, so that continues to show that this storm is very, very potent, and I basically do realize that's kind of a given at this point with sustained winds around 100 knots. And last, I do want to note that this storm, even though it is making landfall, still continues to have potential to produce very widespread destruction farther inland here over Queensland over the next 24 and even out to 48 and 72 hours, as the amount of precip coming out of the system is massive, actually showing you the water vapor imagery right in here. So, and also I do want to note I'm not an official news source here by any means, or official warning source. So if you do want to see some of the warnings, please check the Bureau of Meteorology. They continue to put out updates very rarely right at this time, and also plenty of news agencies up and down the coast putting out reports as well. So please continue to check those for any reports of damage and non-such there. But I will have another update by tomorrow morning, or tomorrow morning, in regards to where the storm's going to be going, and if there is any official reports of damage along the coast, we start getting some pictures in. So I hope everybody continue to stay safe out there, and thank you for all the comments and suggestions people continue to post. If you have any links or anything like that that you want to share, please post them in any of the comment boxes, any of these sites you're watching these. All that information is very welcomed, and I actually do really use them. So thank you very much. I hope everybody stays safe out there and have a great night.